Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Google Drive files. So if you have the need to download the file from your Google Drive, I'm gonna show you how. So here is my Google Drive and I want to, let's say, download this file right here. So what you can do is right click on the file and then you'll find the download option. Just click on that, and after that, after the scanning for viruses, the files will be automatically downloaded in your browser. And you can also download more than one file in one time. For example, I want to download these 4 files right here, so I'm going to block like this, and I'm going to right click and then click on download. So if you guys download more than one files, it will be downloaded as the zip files, like this. So 4 file has been zipped and the download is ready and it will start right away like this. Okay guys, so I think that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.